US indices traded mixed, and I can say with little bullishness here, where we have seen US 30 moving towards 44,780, US 100 towards 21,300, and US 500 towards 6040. The next resistance is here. What to expect now from the S&P, Nasdaq, and Dow with the US session? Whether we are going to look forward to a round of rally or a possibility of a stronger correction exists ahead. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading Nasdaq, S&P, Dow? We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. First, we're gonna look at S&P, followed with Nasdaq in the end, Dow. Watch till the end. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first S&P, followed with Nasdaq Indian. Watch. Look at the hourly charts for S&P. After dropping sharp here, it is trading. See, this was the V-shaped recovery here of this zone, and now it is trading with swings here. It is right now trying to reverse from before hitting the top of this channel. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned that 60-40, 60-50 is the zone you should watch out for. These are going to remain the prime resistances. Now, what is happening? It is to trade below 6,000. That is the only level below which you can say that the bears might try to take over. And right now, it has come down to take the support from the 20 period. So let's see if 20 period proves out to be a good support, and let's see if it breaks beyond 60-40. 60-40 is the zone beyond which you can initiate a buying entry and expect it to move towards 60-50, the next targets. And if it trades beyond 60-50, remember we can look forward to a greater rise towards 60, 64, 65, 60, 74, and then in fact it may fill the gap towards 60-100. Be careful here. Right now I can say this is struggling to decide a direction. Let it stay beyond 60-40, 60-50 in order to confirm a reversal. Stochastic dropping here. MACD has retraced. It is trying to converge. Let it cross over for reversal. RSI is flat here, coming to 2 on the 2-hour chart. Similar observation, drop here, retracement, and see the drop was straight line and the retracement is with swings. We have to watch out if it delivers a breakout here. Right now I can see is it is delivering higher lows here. That's very, very important for S&P to trade below 6,000 level. That is the level below which you can say that the bears might try to take over, and that is the only level below which I will recommend you to take a selling position, as the chances of recovery increases here. Now see, one bullish candle, and it took a couple of bearish candles for it to offset this gain, and thus the following candle is going to be critical. It can erase the losses here and move beyond 60-40. Just watch out here. Stochastic at top, MACD has crossed here at the bottom, trading with bullishness here. The RSI, if you look at the RSI, this is flat here rather than looking downwards. I can see slight flatness here. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see one bullish candle taking the support from the 100 period moving average, and on the upside the resistances are intact from the 20 and 50 period moving average. Thus this is the zone it need to come out from, and thus till 6,000 I will recommend you to wait and watch and observe how it behaves till 6,000 levels. Once it stays below 6,000, there could be slight bearishness, and once it trades below 5,980, you can say now this is the time that the bears are going to taking over, and then you can look forward to further correction. What I am looking right now is one bullish candle, couple of bearish candle, and the next candle when it arrives, it can take the prices again on the upside. It may try to fill the gap here. Possibility is high. Stochastic near to top, the MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy. It is not yet crossed over. RSI running flat. On the 4-hour charts, and you look on the 4-hour charts here, similar observation here, drop, retracement, and just let it break beyond the 20 period moving average. Let it break beyond 60-40, 60-50. That should be a good indication of further bullishness here. The stochastic rising, the MACD is trying to converge crossover for buy. The RSI is comfortable. Coming to now look at daily charts. What it has done, it has come down to take the support from the 20 period, and it is now trying to bounce back. And see, there is a huge gap which is left, which is yet to be filled, and today I can see a bit of swings here. Very, very important for us to observe. First, whether S&P moves towards this zone at 60-70, and second is if it breaks and tries to fill this gap, because see, there is one stronger possibility that it can fill the gap here and then again take a dump here, take a hit here. This is something which is definitely I'll be watchful of. A stochastic dropping sharp, the MACD is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for it to cross over means today it has to deliver another red candle for it to cross over and stay bearish in the near future. RSI has dropped. So look, I will recommend you to buy if you see it is staying now above 60-32. Expect 60-40 and 60-50 at the two targets. Beyond that 60-40, 60-60, 60-64 should be there, and then 60-72. If these 3 levels, 4 levels are taken, you can say that the bulls are back and we are looking forward to move towards 60, 90, 95, and 60, 100. This is the next resistance zone, and this is the gap filling exercise which S&P might do before showing a reversal here. While on the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 60.14, where you can see it moving towards 60.08 and 6,000. Two key support levels, and I will say 6,5995 is the zone you should watch out for. If it trades below this, you can expect the next support coming into picture at 5980, and if 5980 is taken, there is no other option for us but to stay short. Take your positions accordingly. Below 5980, 5960 should be there, and below that a crash to be seen towards 5920, chances of which appears to be less. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. And before we move to Nasdaq 100, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts for Tech 100. Stronger, first of all, a sharp deep, uh, it was a deep sink with a deep sink here, and see what it has happened. Now the prices are trading beyond the 20 period moving average. It has moved towards the 50 period average. Now notice, after the rise retracement, rise retracement, now it is very important for Tech 100 to trade below 21 100 levels. That is the level below which you can say the bears might try to take over. As long as it stays above 21 100, we have to be cautious. Below 21 100, we can see it again moving towards 21,000, 29,700, and a drop below 21,029.70 is the only confirmation of more bearishness ahead. Else what could happen once it breaks out beyond this zone at 21 300, you can say we can look forward to the next milestone at 21,400, and once 21,400 is taken, it may attempt to fill the gap here on the upside towards 21,700. So yes, I will wait for a breakout here, whichever direction it delivers it. Right now trying to erase the gains for the day, looking downwards, staying bearish. Stock IC has dropped. MACD trying to converge crossover for a sell. It is not yet crossed over. RSI trying to trade bearish here. On the 2-hour charts, what has happened? Prices were trading with divergence from the 20 period. It has got the resistance from the 20 period intact, and it is trying to bounce back. Let it break beyond 20 period, which means it has to now stay beyond 21,300 levels in order to confirm the reversal here. That should take the prices towards 21,400 for sure. Stock is looking down. MACD crossing over here at the bottom, trading with little divergence, trading little bullish. RSI right now looking downwards. On the 3, notice on the 3-hour chart, see one bullish candle, couple of bearish candle. It has erased the gains from this candle, and it has come down to the support zone here. Very important for Tech 100 to trade below 21,100.080 zone, which will confirm its next move towards 21,029.70. Else right now also notice, see the resistance here at 21,300 pretty strong, and on the upside the next milestone which it would like to hit is 21,400, 420, and any move beyond this should take it towards 21,600, the next resistance zone. Stock IC at top, the MACD trying to converge, crossover for a buy. It is not yet crossed over. RSI running flat here. On the 4-hour charts also similar observation here. On the 4-hour charts, only one point I would like to make here is only and only if it trades below 21,100.080, you can say this is the reversal. Else what is happening right now? Lower highs, it can bounce back, it can reverse, it can move towards higher highs, means it can move towards 21,300, 21,400 zone again. Stock is near to top here. MACD trying to trade bearish, trying to converge here. RSI flat. Coming to now, look at daily charts here. What is happening on the daily charts? See little swings here on the charts, and it has formed a tail. It is good time for it to bounce back, but yes, only and only if it trades about 21,400, we can expect a move which is going to take it first towards 21,600, and then a gap filling exercise should happen, which is going to take the prices higher towards 21,700, 5,800 zone. Right now, if you notice what is happening here, lower highs and lower lows, slight bearish zone it is creating, and even if it bridges the gap, possibility with the FOMC or possibility of a drop with the FOMC going to remain high. Stochastic dropping here, MACD trying to cross over for sell, RSI drop. So now on the sell side, I will recommend it only and only if you see it is staying beyond 21,100, 21,080 zone, you can expect it to move towards 21,000, 29,70 as the first support zone, and then below that 2900, 920 should appear. Below that is where you can expect a greater correction. Else I expect a possible recovery. You can buy here at 21,220 levels, expected to move towards 21,260, 21,300. And if it breaks beyond 21,300, this time the possibility remains high that we may see 21,400 as well. 400, 420 first milestone, 21,500 next, and then 21,600 to appear. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to If you look at US30 on the early charts, it has formed a very strong support now at 44,600, 44,550 zone, and the resistance here on the upside towards 44,780, 800. It needs to come out of this box in order to confirm a direction, and it drop below 44,580, 600 should be an indication of further downside, where 44,500 should be the first and immediate support, and then 44,400. And only if you see US30 below 44,400, you can say that the bears are back. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has hit a top, trying to cross over for sell. The RSI is also at top here. Coming to on the 2 hour charts, I can see it has formed a tail and it can deliver similar size of candle here. Notice what is happening. The rise, the retracement, first reversal sign, first bullish candle, then a swing here, and now second candle should appear, which is going to take the price. Now see, US30 was the only one which has not hit the highs previously, while with the rise in the S&P and Nasdaq. So now it can in fact attempt to move towards 45,000 levels. Stochastic rising here, MACD rising here, RSI is flat at top, and on the 3 hour charts also similar observation. Notice that it is trading in this bullish channel still. The highs are well above to 45,000, 45,200. This dip has got some of the orders closed, and now it is trying to recover strong. I'll definitely watch out how it behaves at 44,800 levels, beyond which sky is the limit on the upside. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossed over, trading with bullishness, RSI flat here, and on the 4 hour charts, now notice on the 4 hour charts, couple of retracement, higher lows, and this is ready to deliver a bullish candle. And thus once it stays beyond 44,800, we can expect it to deliver the candles like this, which is going to in fact take it towards 45,000. Stochastic overbought here, MACD crossing over for the buys, RSI flat at top. And on the daily charts, notice it has already formed a tail. I'll just wait for it to trade beyond 44,800 levels, then I will wait for it to break beyond 44 880, 900. If these two levels are taken, stay bullish for 45,050, 45,200 levels as the next target, and beyond that further rally can be seen. While on the downside, a selling entry is only limited below 44,600, 44,580 zone, below which you can expect bearishness. Now notice this, it has formed bigger tails here, and it appears that it is ready for a move on the upside, which can take it towards the record levels again, which means a move beyond 45,200, 45,000 zone, which is going to be the strongest resistance on the upside. So now looking at this, I will recommend you to buy US30 only if you see it is staying above 44,760 levels. Expected to move towards 44,800, 840 as the first target zone, 44,900, 920 as the second target zone, 45,000 as the third, 45,050 rather I will say the third, and then in fact we can see it moving towards 45, 180, 200 levels. While on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 44,600, 580 zone, only below which, only and only if it trades below 44,600, 580, you can say that more bearishness to be seen, and below that you can expect a correction which is going to take it towards 44,400, 500 first, 44,400 second, and any drop below 44,400 is a sign of bearishness here for your study. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session with more updates.